Hello everyone, welcome back to the Study Nurse channel. In today's video, we will learn in detail about Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. Florence Nightingale is famously known as the Lady with the Lamp because of her work during the Crimean War. She was born on 12th May 1820 in Florence, Italy. Her birthday is now celebrated worldwide as International Nurses Day in honor of her contribution to nurses. She was born into a wealthy and educated British family. From young age, Florence felt a strong calling to serve the sick and needy. At that time, nursing was not considered as a respectable profession for women from wealthy families, and her parents initially opposed her decision, but she remained determined to follow her calling. During the time of Crimean War in 1854, Florence Nightingale went to care for wounded soldiers in military hospitals. She arrived the hospital's conditions were very poor. Many soldiers was dying not because of their injuries but due to infections, diseases and poor sanitation. She focused in improving hygiene, sanitation, ventilation, and clean water. Her efforts reduced the death rate of soldiers significantly. She often visited patients at night carrying a lamp, which is why she became known as the Lady with a Lamp. Florence was also a prior in using statistics in health care. She collected data and proved that poor sanitation was the main cause of deaths in hospitals. Her reports influenced the British government to improve hospital condition and healthcare practices. In 1860, Florence established the first professional nursing school at St. Thomas Hospital in London. This was the beginning of formal nursing education. She trained nurses with the discipline, knowledge, and compassion. She wrote famous books on notes on nursing, which explain the importance of hygiene, nutrition, and proper patient care. Her book became a guide for all nurses all over the world. Florence Nightingale became the first woman to receive the Order of Merit from the British government. Every year, 12th May is celebrated as International Nurses Day in her honor. She passed away on 13th August 1910 at the age of 90. Florence Nightingale is remembered as the founder of modern nursing. Her principles of cleanliness, patient care, and nursing education continue to inspire nurses worldwide. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with the Study Nurse for more nursing topics.